Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here because Valentine's continues. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful centerpiece using all Dollar Tree items, and then also I'm gonna show you how to set the table for under $10, you guys. There's no reason why you're spending hundreds of dollars on an event that is gonna last a few hours. So today I'm gonna show you how to upscale Dollar Tree items for entertaining for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see this video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. If you're new to this channel, here we talk about interior design and decorating through fun DIY projects to help you unleash your inner designer so you can create a space that tells your story. And let's get crafting. All right, you guys, the things we're gonna need for this centerpiece are two of these Dollar Tree containers. This is flowers and garden. I thought it'd be super cute to put flowers in them. Then I also picked a whole bunch of random greenery that I already had left over from other projects. I have a block of foam that I'm recycling, 3 bushels, 1 rose, 1 peony pink, and 1 peony in white and pink. We're gonna need a knife to cut our foam, and then also some sheet moss that I got at Walmart and I have left over. And I also have a bag of Dollar Tree moss, which they have. I'm so thankful. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this foam in half, and then we're gonna go ahead and insert half on this container and half on the other one. All right, and we're gonna push it all the way down. And then with our moss, what we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and just lock it in place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all this moss out of the bag, like so, and we're just gonna go ahead and put some of this moss around the perimeter of the container because that will give it a more finished look. All right, and we're gonna do the same with this one right here. Like I said, I have another bag of moss that I bought at the dollar store. So this is what the moss looks like from the Dollar Tree, and it is super affordable. So what we're gonna do is poke a little hole in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and lock this foam into place with a moss to give it a more finished look. All right, so once we have this like this, what we need to do is we need to just add just a few sprigs of greenery because there wouldn't be a bouquet with no greenery. And just keep in mind to do opposites. If you're gonna do one to the right, then go to the opposite container and do one to the left. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add another one right here. And for better quality looking bouquets, I always like to mix all of the greeneries. In this case, I'm using a fern, I'm using boxwood, I'm using all kinds of greenery. That way our bouquets look more expensive and a lot more finished. And then I just like to use some of these cutlets for just to fill in, like so. I'm gonna add one on the right and then one on the left. And then I have 2 of these boxwoods, and if you guys can notice, it is all done with nothing but leftover items. So there's no need to go out and buy some of these greenery. Just go ahead and save when you put projects apart because you never know when you're gonna need them. All right, so then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut all of my stems because I want them all to be evenly distributed on both bouquets. So if you've seen me do flower arrangements here at Ramon at Home, then you know that I like to cut them all at once. That way I don't have to go back and cut stems, you know, as I go. It's just way easier. This is a trick I learned while working in the flower industry. All right, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start inserting flowers. Like I said, I always like to use and insert flowers, all one type of flower at a time, all right? So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and cut those stems a little down. So I'm gonna add all the pink ones first. And notice that I'm just mirroring these bouquets, right? So I'm gonna do a triangle right here with the pink ones, like so. Then I'm gonna move on to the red. And I just wanna weave some of this red into the bouquets to make it look more Valentines, like so. Don't forget to take these pesky tags that we hate so much. I wish manufacturers would not put tags on their flowers. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mirror that one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the white one. And at this point, we're just filling in these tiny bouquets. And then I bought, yesterday while I was at the Dollar Tree, I bought these little hearts that I'm gonna show you in a second. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in. At this point, you're just filling in the gaps on your bouquets. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, for $1, what else can we ask for? Like so. And let me take this tag off from this right here. Like that. And then I have an extra red one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Cute. So far, so good. Let me clean up real quick, and I'll be right back with you. All right, you guys, so far so good, but I did find these little hearts at the Dollar Tree, and I just thought they were so cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and insert some of these little glittered hearts right here, popping out of the container. And what I wanna do is I wanna make sure that they are staggered going down like this. So I'm gonna do probably 3 on each container. And as you can see, they just look like they're spilling out. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same, but going the opposite way on this one right here. And just for under $10, you can create this centerpiece for your table. In a second, I'm gonna set the table and show you what they look like all finished. But as you can see, they're just a mirror image of each other. And I think they look really, really cute. Thumbs up if you like this project. All right, let me set the table and I'll show you exactly what they look like all set up with a beautiful tablescape. All right, so step number 1 for a beautiful, beautiful Valentine's Day tablescape is a white tablecloth. And in this case, we're gonna put it on a diagonal like so. And then we're gonna make sure that it is well centered and everybody gets a beautiful piece of this tablecloth like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my 2 arrangements. Make sure they are pointing against each other and the hearts are going opposite ways, like so. All right, the next step is to put our dishes down. And if you follow me on my social media and then also here on YouTube, then you know that I love a really white plate because everything pops off of that plate. So we're gonna use stark white plates. We're just gonna go ahead and put them on each table like so. All right, so many of you asked me how I fold my napkins on the last centerpiece that I did, and I'm gonna show you right now. It's super simple. So you're just gonna fold it in half on a triangle, and then you're gonna do another fold of the corners. So you're gonna end up with a square like this. Then what you need to do is you need to fold this guy forward like this, and then you're gonna fold back until you get these 2 pointy ends like so. And we're just gonna put that on top of our plate, and that just adds so much character to any tablescape. All right, you guys, so once we have our napkins folded, I also found these really cute hearts at the Dollar Tree. They come in pieces of 5, red or pink. So I bought a red and a pink because what I thought it'd be super cute is if we put a heart, instead of having a placemat, we're gonna put a heart under a plate like so, and another one of the small ones, or medium size. We're gonna put another one here. So far, so good, and I think it's looking super cute, but it is time to put the silverware and the stemware, which is what really finishes a tablescape, and I'll be right back to show you that. All right, you guys, so for the stemware, what I've chosen is this really pretty crystal with a gold rim, as well as this really pretty pink goblet that I actually found at Goodwill a few years ago. And then for our silverware, or in this case goldware or gold or flatware, I've chosen this really pretty gold, which is also from a thrift store. And I just buy these items and save them and just take them out in occasions like this because it really makes a table look absolutely gorgeous. And just a few more finishing touches and I'll show you what it looks like. And of course, it wouldn't be a romantic dinner without some candlelight. And for that, I've chosen these crystal or glass candle holders, as well as the tapers from the Dollar Tree. These guys were 2 for $1 and $1 for these glass taper holders. So just go ahead and insert that taper down and put it down right here. And just like that, my friends, you have a beautiful table set up for your Valentine's dinner. As you guys can see, it is super easy to set a beautiful table for Valentine's Day under $10. So I really just recommend to go out and shop early. Right now is the right time, because if you wait a few more weeks, none of these products will be there and you won't be able to set up a beautiful table like this. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like this idea of the dual centerpiece with the candles in the middle. I think it is so striking and super affordable. All right, you guys, well, that's all I have for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend so they know about Ramon at Home. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because there is so much going on right now with the remodel of the house and all of the crafting for Valentine's and all of the projects coming up you will not want to miss. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.